Hi everyone, all are welcome to the first episode of Coding Bird. Today we are going to learn how to set up our local web development environment using Atom IDE. Firstly, download Atom IDE Setup and download link in video description below. So, now if you just double click on that, and it will automatically do everything it needs to install Atom on your system. Oh, congratulations, you have successfully installed Atom. Let's install essential packages to our Atom editor. Click Install a Package and open Installer. Now copy the package name and paste here. So you can install the package by clicking Install. Now successfully install the package to Atom. Download text file in video description. Install all 10 of packages in this way. Now we have successfully set up our local web development environment. If you have any kind of issue, open it in the comment section. We will definitely help. We will absolutely make you as a full stack developer, so subscribe Coding Bird and click on bell icon. So we hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next video.